Hi friends, how are you? So this is Pradeep here back on another video. So in this video I'm just going to show a small modification to my Himalayan 450. So you all guys know that it comes with the inbuilt radiator guard that comes in plastic. Okay, so actually I have bought the new radiator OE guard. Okay, so actually this is made up of aluminum, so I have bought it from RE. So I'm just going to show you how to install it. Go and look at the unboxing of this. Okay, so if you see here, you can see the Royal Enfield batching, and here you can see the price as 1950 rupees for this, and they have given the part number, what is the quantity, all the details. Okay, if you just open it, you can see the radiator guard. It is made up of pure aluminum and it is white in color. Okay, it is really a good quality. Other than this, we have a small box. So here what we have is two spaces and three Allen key nuts. Okay, so so friends, in order to remove this radiator guard, what you have to do is you have to first remove this bolt here. Okay, it is like quite tricky because we have to use the wrenches correctly. Okay, so I have almost removed it. So yeah, okay, once you remove it, you will have two more nuts here. One is down here, other one is down here. Okay, so I'll show you how this looks once I remove all these three. Okay, now I have removed the radiator guard from here as I showed you before. See here, actually this itself is like very good. It has a very good plastic, hard plastic. So this itself is fine. Just to give more extra protection, I am upgrading it to the aluminum. Okay, so this aluminum panel, right? Okay, so I would always ask you guys to prefer to go to OE parts on the radiator because the manufacturer knows how much intake the radiator should take here. Okay, can you see here? These are like small symbols kind of a stuff where all the air flow gets in. So if you're going with OE, they know very well how much air should go in and how much volts they should put in on the radiator guard. Okay, so instead of going for aftermarket, you can purchase this. This is just like 1950 rupees. So the installation process is very simple. You have to just take it and place it over here and tighten the three screws. I'm just going to use my 4 mm Allen key and tighten this all three bolts. Okay, so first I'm going to tighten the top bolt and not fully but to half, and then I'm going to keep the faces and then tighten it. Okay, now I have fixed all these three sides and you can see there is some uh, looseness. So all the three sides are fixed properly and the spaces have gone inside. So only thing that I have to do is now just tighten this using the Allen keyboards. Okay, once that is completed, I'll show you the final look. Okay guys, now the radiator is fully fixed. I have already tightened all the three Allen key 4 mm bolts. So now it's very tightly fixed and this is going to be very hard. Okay, it's going to take all the hits from the shapes and nicks from the off-road terrain. So that's it about this video. So let me know how this new radiator guard feels on my bike, and I hope you might have liked the video. If you like it, or else just give the thumbs down. More such videos coming up, so stay tuned and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in another video. Until then, you take care of yourself, your bike, and always remember there is someone waiting in our home. Bye guys, see you in another video. Take care. Bye.